Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's out there? It's a big, big universe. We live in a very special part of it called the solar system. Think of it as our cosmic neighborhood, a vast and incredible place filled with planets, moons, other amazing things. It's a system. All its parts work together in a predictable, scientific way. We are all space travelers, riding on a giant spaceship called Earth. Our journey through space is a constant dance around a giant star, and understanding this dance helps us understand our place in the cosmos. So, what exactly is the solar system? It's the name we give to our sun and everything that is gravitationally bound to it. The main players are the 8 planets, including our own home, Earth. But there's so much more. Dwarf planets, dozens upon dozens of moons, millions of rocky asteroids, icy comets. At the very center of it all, holding everything together, is our star, the sun. It's not just a bright light in the sky, it is a gigantic, fiery ball of hot gases, hydrogen and helium. The sun is so massive that its gravity is strong enough to keep all the planets locked in their orbits. The incredible energy it produces through nuclear fusion provides the light and heat that make life on Earth possible. It is, quite literally, the star of the show. Learning about our solar system is not just about memorizing names and facts. It's about understanding the fundamental laws of physics and nature that govern our universe. Let's begin our tour with the planets closest to the sun. These are the inner terrestrial planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. They are called terrestrial because they have solid, rocky surfaces, much like our own Earth. First up is Mercury, the smallest planet. Mercury zips around the sun the fastest. A year on Mercury is only 88 Earth days long. It's a world of extremes, scorching hot on its sun-facing side, freezing cold on its dark side. Next is Venus, often called Earth's sister planet, similar in size and mass to Earth. But don't be fooled, Venus is anything but sisterly. Thick, toxic atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide. Venus is the hottest planet, hot enough to melt lead, shrouded in thick yellowish clouds of sulfuric acid. Then the third rock, our home, Earth, the only planet with liquid water on its surface, the only place that harbors life as far as we know. Our atmosphere protects us from harmful solar radiation. Nitrogen, oxygen, vast oceans, sprawling continents, shifting weather patterns, incredible diversity of living organisms. The final inner planet is Mars, the red planet. Its reddish color comes from iron oxide, rust, a cold desert world with a very thin atmosphere. Evidence it was once warmer and wetter. Rivers, lakes, possibly an ocean. Today it has polar ice caps made of water ice and frozen carbon dioxide. Scientists are excited about possible past microbial life, and the possibility life could exist deep underground today. Leaving the rocky inner planets behind, we cross a vast expanse known as the asteroid belt to reach the realm of the giants. First, we encounter Jupiter, the undisputed king of the planets. It is so enormous that all the other planets in our solar system could fit inside it. Jupiter is a gas giant, meaning it doesn't have a solid surface you could stand on. It's a massive ball of hydrogen and helium, just like the sun. One of its most famous features is the Great Red Spot, a gigantic, centuries-old storm that is wider than our entire planet. Traveling further out, we meet Saturn, the jewel of the solar system. While Saturn is also a gas giant similar in composition to Jupiter, it is famous for its breathtaking system of rings. These rings are not solid. They are made of billions of small particles of ice and rock, ranging in size from tiny grains of dust to chunks as large as a house. Saturn is less dense than water, which means if you could find a bathtub big enough, this giant planet would actually float. Our journey continues to the ice giants. First is Uranus, a planet that is truly unique because it rotates on its side. While other planets spin like tops as they orbit the sun, Uranus rolls along like a ball. This strange tilt results in extreme seasons. Uranus is an ice giant because, beneath its hydrogen and helium atmosphere, it has a hot, dense fluid core of icy materials like water, methane, and ammonia. The final major planet in our solar system is Neptune, another stunning blue ice giant. It is the windiest planet in our solar system, with supersonic winds whipping through its atmosphere at more than 2,000 kilometers per hour. Neptune was the first planet to be discovered through mathematical prediction rather than direct observation. Scientists noticed Uranus wasn't orbiting exactly as it should, and they calculated that another large planet's gravity must be tugging on it. They pointed their telescopes to that spot, and there it was. The solar system isn't just about the sun and the 8 planets. It's filled with countless smaller objects. Between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter lies the main asteroid belt, a region filled with millions of rocky objects called asteroids. These are leftover building blocks from the formation of our solar system about 4.6 billion years ago. They range in size from Ceres, a dwarf planet nearly 1,000 kilometers across, to tiny pebbles. Beyond Neptune, we find dwarf planets and comets. Comets are often described as dirty snowballs. So why is it important to learn about all of this? By comparing Earth to other worlds like Venus and Mars, we learn about planetary climates, atmospheres, and geology. Furthermore, exploring space drives technological innovation. GPS, satellite communication, medical imaging, water purification systems. It pushes us to be better engineers, scientists, and problem solvers. Ultimately, looking to the stars inspires us. The quest to explore the solar system and beyond is a grand human adventure that unites people across the globe. It encourages us to think big, to dream of what's possible, and to work together to achieve incredible things. Every new image from a robotic probe, every rock sample returned from Mars, and every discovery about a distant moon expands our knowledge and our perspective. The solar system is a vast, wondrous place, and we have only just begun to explore it. The journey is far from over. It's just beginning. So let's keep looking up, keep asking questions, and keep exploring. The universe is waiting for us.